Web Marketing Therapy specializes in advisory, training, and marketing management. Every organization is different. Every organization has a different personality, different goals, a different voice. What we do is we come in and we diagnose, we prescribe, and then we guide, because we do not plan to fail, we fail to plan, and so Web Marketing Therapy helps create that plan. A lot of organizations will hold the keys to certain assets. I ethically do not believe in that. There should be no dependency. My team will train so that everyone's empowered in making things more productive and more efficient. Admitting that you need help is the first step. You need teams that you can count on. You need professionals that you know are on your team and that are truly your advocate. There's an art of marketing, there's a science of marketing, but if you do it from a place of heart, everything will fall into place.